friends, my name is Shreya Sethia and today we are going to study Social Science Geography chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is Latitudes and the Longitudes of class 6th. So we are going to start with hard words. First word is latitudes. 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 Latitudes are the horizontal line between two poles. Suppose this is our globe, right, or earth. The horizontal line between two poles, first and second, there are two poles, north pole and south pole respectively. So horizontal line between two poles, this horizontal line between two poles, these lines are called latitudes. Got it? Latitudes. Now, next is longitudes. 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 Again, suppose this is our earth and there are two poles, north pole and south pole. Longitudes are the vertical lines joining two poles. Vertical line क्या है? This is vertical line. Wait, this is vertical line and they are joining both the poles, north pole and south pole. These are called longitudes. Okay. Now, spherical. Next word is spherical. 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 Spherical is a kind of shape. For example, shape of a ball, shape of earth. We can say it's not a spherical. Shape of earth is not a spherical. Ball is the best example. Spherical shape is somewhat, the shape of the earth is somewhat spherical. Now, bludging. Bluging. Bludging. Meaning of this word is, bludging means something that swells out or which is like a balloon in shape, kind of this part. So the shape of earth is bludging from the equator. This is equator and this is bludging from the equators. Now, next word is equator. 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 Suppose this is our earth and the center line which divides the earth into two equal halves is called equator. 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 Next word is pole. 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 North pole and south pole, right? They are called poles. Now, hemisphere. 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 Now, when the sphere is divided into two parts, so this is a complete sphere and which is divided into two parts, right? The first part and the second part. So this part, the remaining kind of this part is called hemisphere. Okay, hemisphere. So this one is first hemisphere and that this is second hemisphere. Now, next is horizontal line. Horizontal line. Straight line like this is called horizontal line. Horizontal line. Horizontal. Horizontal. Lines. Lines. Horizontal lines. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Suppose this is our earth. This is equator, as I have already told you. Now, line above equator, this is called Tropic of Cancer. This line is known as Tropic of Cancer. Next is Tropic of Capricorn, TROPIC, Tropic of Capricorn, CAPRI, Capri, CORN, corn, line below equator. This is called Tropic of Capricorn. Next is Arctic Circle. Next, ARCTIC, Arctic Circle. This line is called Arctic Circle. Next is Antarctic Circle, ANTARTIC, Antarctic Circle. This line is called Antarctic Circle. Okay. So these all are latitudes, they all are latitudes, and Earth is divided into several major lines or divisions. So first one is, this one is Arctic, this one is Tropic of Cancer, this is equator, this is Tropic of Capricorn, this is Antarctic Circle. Okay, and this is North Pole, South Pole. Okay, now torrid zone, TORRID, torrid zone, torrid zone. Wait a second, let me draw that first again. This is our Earth, equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Now torrid zone. Now there are the Earth is divided into 3 zones according to their temperature or kind of heat zones. So first one is torrid zone. It means this is torrid zone in both the hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, next is temperate zone, TEMPRATE, temperate zone. So this is the line of, this is Tropic of Cancer, sorry, Arctic Circle, and that is Antarctic Circle. So this zone is called temperate zone. Okay, we will study further in the chapter. It's just a small brief given to you. And next one is frigid zone, frigid zone, FRIGID, frigid zone. Now the zone between the poles and this line, these two lines, the zone between these two lines is called frigid zone. Okay, now prime meridian, prime meridian, PRIME, prime, MERIDIAN, meridian, prime meridian. Vertical line, meaning of this word is vertical line drawn from North Pole to South Pole, from North Pole to South Pole are called prime meridian. Sorry, are called, is called prime meridian. Okay, this line is called prime meridian, which divides the earth into almost 2 equal halves. Next word is grid, GRID, grid. It means you might have seen globe somewhere और उस पर ऐसी बहुत सारी लाइंस ड्रॉ होती हैं, राइट? You might have seen kinds of line. This line forms a grid. These lines forms a grid. इसे कहते हैं grid. It means a kind of जाल, imaginary lines. Next is standard meridian. Meaning of this word is the meridian which is used to describe time of a country is called standard meridian. For further detail we will study this topic in chapter. So next word is intersection. 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 It means passing or crossing of two lines is called intersection. Next is vertical lines. Vertical. Vertical. Lines. Lines. Vertical lines. Meaning of this word is line which is drawn like this. This is vertical line. Okay. Next word is globe. What is a globe? GLOBE. Globe. It's a three-dimensional model of the earth. It's called globe. Okay. Next word is axis. EXIS. Axis. The 2 points on which earth rotates. The 2 points on which earth rotates is called axis. Okay. Now next word is GMT. GMT. Full form of this word is Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time. ओके ये क्या होता है हम चैप्टर में देखेंगे. ठीक है. फुल फॉर्म इज ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम. एंड IST इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम. Indian Standard Time. Okay. So what is GMT and IST? We will study in the chapter further. Okay.